Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to create activity steps in Primavera P6. What is an activity steps? What are the procedures to create an activity steps? We will see in this slide. Activity steps provide a way to break activities down into smaller units and track the completion of those units. You can add many steps to an activity. Some activity will require more steps. Some activities might not require any steps. If progress occurs on the step, enter a percent completion to the step. There is a column. You can add the percentage completion of those steps in those column or mark the completed checkbox to indicate the step is 100% complete. You can also create activity step templates that capture a group of steps common to multiple activities. Weighted steps enable you to track the progress of an activity based on the number of steps completed. What are all the conditions for creating activity steps? You need to go to the projects window. In the projects window, you need to mark the activity percent completion based on the activity steps checkbox in the calculations tab and choose the physical as the activity percent completion type in the generals tab. So whatever you are going to update in the activity steps which you have created, it will be updated to the activities in the activities window. Now we will see how to create activity steps in Primavera P6. Let's take a simple activity, design and drawing activity. You can see here design and drawing has duration of 38 days. For completion of the design and drawing activity, we need to perform some steps so that this design and drawing activity will be completed. So we will see what are all the steps involved in design and drawing activity. So we need to prepare the shop drawing that is prepared by the draftsman. Then it need to be reviewed by the senior engineer. Then it will be approved by the technical manager. Then we need to submit to the client for the approval. Then it will be issued for the construction. So these are all the few steps involved in design and drawing activity. So how we can add these steps to this particular activity? There are few methods involved in creating the activity steps. First method is you can select this activity and go to the bottom layout. You can add the steps tab here. In the steps tab, you can see add button is available. So you can directly add the steps involved in the design and drawing activity, or you can also add from the template. If you have created the steps template already, then you can add from the template directly, or you can create the steps here and make it as a template also. So these are the three different methods in creating the steps. Now we will start creating the steps. Before we create the steps, we need to make sure that this project or this activity is meeting the condition required to create the steps. First, we need to go to the projects window. In the projects window, we need to select the projects. In the projects, you need to go to the calculations tab. In the calculations tab, you need to make sure that this activity percent complete based on the activity step is checked. And you need to go to the activities window again. In the activities window, you need to select the activity and go to the generals tab. In the generals tab, you need to check whether it is the physical percentage completion type. If these conditions are met, now we are ready to create the steps. So we are going to create the steps in the bottom layout. So first step we are going to create here is you can directly add the steps here and you can rename the step. So first step is preparing the shop drawing. Preparing shop drawing. Then next step we are going to add as review shop drawing, let's say by senior engineer. Then you can add the third step, approval by technical manager. Then you are going to add the fourth step as submission and approval by client. Then the last step is the IFC, issued for construction. So you need to complete these steps, all these steps, in order to complete this activity. Now we have created the activity steps involved in this activity. So you can see here different columns are available here. Step percentage complete, step weightage, and step weightage percentage and completed. So these are all the, what are all these columns? So step percentage complete, whenever you are going to track this program, update this program, you need to update these steps so that your activity percentage completion will be updated here directly. So you can also add weightage to each steps which you have created. So you can see here each step is having weightage of 1, so it is linearly distributed. So if you want to give more weightage to the preparation of shop drawing, let's say I'm going to provide 5 as the weightage. Now you can see here weightage percentage is increased to 55.6. So again, if you want to have a more weightage on the approval of the client, so I am going to make it to 2. So you can see here it will be total, it will be 100%. Step weightage percentage will be automatically calculated by P6 to 100. So based on the weightage you are going to provide here, your percentage for the each activity steps will be created. If your particular steps is completed, then you can mark as completed directly here. If it is 100% complete, you can directly mark 100% complete here. If your steps is only 50% complete, you can just mark it 50% complete here. Let's say preparation of shop drawing, it is 25% completed. Then based on the weightage, you can see here performance percentage completion is calculated. 12.5% is completed of the particular activity. So P6 will calculate the percentage based on the weightage you have given for these activity steps. Let's say it is completed 100%. Preparation of shop drawing is completed 100%. Then your P6 should show 50% based on the weightage which you have provided here. This activity is 50% completed. Let's mark completed. So if you mark completed, you can see based on the weightage of the activity steps, your activity is 50% completed. So this is how we are going to use this weightage in the activity steps. Then we will see how to create activity step templates from the steps which you have directly created in the activities window. You need to select all the steps whichever you have created, then right click, then create template. So you can just create a template and rename the template. So I am going to rename the template to design. Then you are going to click OK. After you click OK, you need to go to the enterprise activity steps template. In the template, you can see whatever the steps you have created and make as a template. You can see the template is available already here. So you can use this template for any other activities also. How you can use this and assign through the other activities? Let's say you'll close here. Now you can go to any other activity. For example, I'm going to the next activity. For example, in this activity itself, I'm going to assign the steps which I have already created as a template. So you need to go to the steps tab. In the steps tab, add from the template. You need to select the template which you have already created. So this is the template which I have already created. Then you are going to assign it. So you can directly assign this template, activity steps template, to the activities directly. Now we will see how to create a activity steps template in the template itself. So for creating a template, you need to go to the enterprise and activity steps template, and we can directly add a template here. Directly add. So I'm going to create a new template. So let's say backfilling. Okay. Under this, I'm going to add the steps here. For this template, this is the template name. I'm going to add the steps here. So I'm going to add first. Okay, layer 1. Backfilling will be done in layers. Okay, layer 1, then layer 2, Let's say I'm going to make it to 3 layers, and you can add layer 3. So again you can change the edit the weightages as per your requirement. If you feel that weightage in the layer 1 is higher, then you can make it to 1.5, and the rest of the layer will be 1 and 1. So it will be your percentage will be calculated based on the weightage which you have provided distributed here. Again, if you want to add any comments here, you can just click the modify button here, so you can add the comments here. So layer 1 of backfilling, trench backfilling for layer 1. You can just add the level, from which level to which level, and you can just mention it here. So this is how you are going to create a activity steps template, and you can create a steps under the template. So this is how you are going to create activity steps template and assign the templates or activity steps to the activities in Primavera P6.